Not sure what happened. I'm just screwing up everything today.
A lay down shot, Dad, like what I did. You lay down and you cross it.
Here.
Is it pause?
No.
So we're still here at
Hole 3.
hole 3. Beep.
Oh, nice.
Wow, nice.
Nice little forehand jabber.
So that was hole 3. Sucks that eventually we'll get this right where it won't shut off at all. And have multiple parts. Like to make just 2. Front 9, back 9, that's it. But things happen.
It's early in this round.
We're at hole 4.
Ace run.
Ace run. Right down there in the shade underneath that tree there, center. And we got John up first. That's a nice run. Yeah, nice run. Should be a nice easy putt.
Like the shirt. Oh, just a little short.
I don't know why you throw so short. He's really tall.
I don't know why I can't throw straight. Use a shark? I don't have a shark.
Oh, beauty.
Nice rip.
Nice.
Out
Really down in the shade.
I think he out threw me again.
I know.
I like to try to make this.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Me.
Come on over here. Take it from here. Ooh.
I just know something's gonna go wrong on the shot. You can probably hit that tree.
Well, you don't want to hit the tree. Aim at the basket. Oh!
Come on, ready?
No. Almost hits the birdie.
Wow. So close.
I kept that in.
Looks nicer than mine, that's for sure.
Wait. Let me just tap it in.
You went by pin high. You know, you chain high.
All right, here we go. His birdie opportunity. Ooh, a high up down the bad chains there. That was number 4, short 4. Nice little hole. Okay, so we're coming up on hole 5 here. In the blazing sun. You have some more golfers that way.
This is the hardest hole. There's a Mando.
Yeah, this hole.
Tree over there.
He's far from that Mando, that's for sure.
I got it open. I got it loaded up.
I need a vitamin.
Bob's Burger Palace will have one.
Woo! Wow!
Much better drive.
I'd say.
Very happy with that one. Boy in his bag. Seriously? All right. He's up there.
Throw a turn or two there.
All right, so here he is.
You see the basket down there, right?
Pins on there.
Throw it wide right
Past that second tree down there.
in the gap, right? Let it come back. You know what you're doing?
He says he knows what he's doing.
Heavy grass. It ain't much of a roller situation.
Nope. Oh yeah. Turn,
Nice.
get through it.
Oh, he did.
Oh, he did. Nice shot. Well played. You took a lot of time doing it, but it was well played. All right, we got Uncle John up over here. He does have a low ceiling here. Oh, he goes around and a big skip. Right on. Oh no, maybe it's short of the pin.
A little short, but
Right underneath it.
yeah, easy putt, easy par.
All right, so Mikey's right here. Uh-oh, threw it the wrong way. You got a long look at it.
Yeah, you got a look. It's a putt.
All right, Mikey walking over to him. Here's John. I'm just on the other side of the pin. Just to pick up and toss it in. Mikey's got a bit of a challenge here. Oh. Nice putt. Nice putt. And I'll just pick mine up and toss it in for a 3. That was hole 5. All right, so we're here at hole 6. We had the basket up on some loading dock. That's what it looks like, right? Like an old loading dock. Nah, it's short.
Way short.
Okay.
Oh, that's a nice shot. You're going to be putting. Can't see it on the camera
Nah.
for sure. Sometimes you see it leave the hand.
What was that?
You need that sun to glint off of it or something, you know?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't realize I was filming there. Sorry. My hand all in the camera. Rips one.
Nice one.
Stay. This grass is pretty thick out here.
Yeah, sticky.
Stick. One goes inside the other.
They go on top of each other.
Yeah.
One's got hard, prickly spikes on it.
And yeah, there's like a soft and furry. Yeah. Talking about how Velcro works here.
Hey, lay up.
Yeah. Don't over.
In.
Putter park job.
In.
Okay, you overshoot it. You're 4 putt.
Not overshooting.
Oh, look at this. Stay there. Perfect. Well played. Very nice.
Uncle Harold taught me.
Where are you at?
Uncle Harold taught me that.
Uncle Harold taught you that shot?
Uh,
The hyzer? Like a hyzer bomb?
It's like going like this with a frisbee.
Yeah, pretty much. It boomerangs back at you.
Like you throw it up.
All right, nice layup.
Now.
And I'm over here. Mikey, you want to take this?
Yeah. Ooh, I'm right there. I thought I was like
Now,
right
the
there.
question. Will he lay up or is he running it?
He's gonna run it.
And then if he runs it, will he get a 3?
No.
Or will he get a 4?
I'll get a 5.
Good questions. These are too many questions. Here's the answer.
He runs it
2!
and he makes it.
Nice deuce. Thank you.
Puts it in for 2.
Oh, your way.
Boy, here with a very, very smart
Time.
second shot.
Center chain.
There's actually 2 changes.
Okay. Woo!
Oh, almost hit that lip. You grab my disc for me?
Right.
That's hole
Hey,
6.
nice par.
Mikey gets a par. There we go. We got some fellow friends here. What's up, Roger? How you doing? Welcome to the vlog.
What blog?
A vlog.
Oh boy.
What's up, Josh? How you doing, man? Good.
Good.
Your viewer rate's gonna drop and plummet now. Just like
Trying to make money, man.
Random stuff out there today if you want to play any of it.
All right.
Daddy,
Hole 7.
this time don't go in there.
This time, I will try to stay away from those woods.
Yeah.
It took me about a half hour to find that disc, right? Easy.
Longer.
Yeah, longer. I wasn't losing it.
And it's right there.
Wasn't losing it, that's for sure. Go easy on that water. This is only hole 7. Oh, I'm up.
Another one. He's got another one.
I'm up.
Yeah. It's all you.
oh, he's on this side. Mikey, you could go ahead of me if you like. If you're ready.
He looks pretty ready. The shade is pretty nice over here.
Oh, let's let these guys play ahead too.
Oh, we got,
We'll let them tee up.
yeah. Holy, is he getting the wood line? Is he gonna get it? Holy crap, he's over by me. Nice job, bud. That's a nice rip. Let's see how Uncle John plays this hole. Oh, he's going around.
Nope, it's going in.
He gets around it.
One little roll.
Nice drive.
Barely.
Hey, yeah, come on up.
All right, here we are. Mikey's drive almost outthrew me. I ricocheted off that tree on the other side of him there.
How's he gonna get to the pin?
I don't know, but I gotta put this down.
You got a big hole here.
Oh, let me get the other side there before you throw. Military style. Okay. I just want to get a good view here. Oh, ah! It almost hit me. He's out though.
Well, this is too much of an angle there too, so yeah, I don't know what I would have done. I probably would have tried either
There.
that one or this gap over here.
There.
Oh, we got another guy back here.
Let's see if I get my mid-range game going here.
Guess we'll ask this guy to play through too, huh?
There, squirrel. Oh, man.
Might as well step up. Take your next shot.
No mid-range game there. Trying to hit that hole in there.
Yeah, yeah,
Good.
yeah. Okay, you can get par if you nail this one. 3. That looks nice. Easy.
I'll show you how to do it anytime. And that's what I was planning on doing.
Trying to get my mid-range game better here. That second shot was terrible. All right, I'm gonna stand in the shade while these two go at the basket. John's up first. Mikey's up first.
Oh,
That's okay. Too short. We got Mikey away. Looks like he found himself a tennis ball. Oh no, it's like a.
Come on, there's somebody up here waiting to play.
Boy, he's always taking his time. I thought I always took my time. Boom, right in the pin for a 4. Nice putt. Puts it in for 3.
Yeah.
And I'll just pick mine up, and I don't think I need anybody to hold the camera. I don't think. Puts it in for a 4. That would be hole 7. And I think we'll let this guy play through and behind us and get to hole 8. All right, so we're here at hole 8. I'm taking a knee here while John throws here.
Oh, am I up?
Yeah, I had a 4. Oh, that's gonna be deep in the woods.
It's fine.
Go ahead, Mikey. Name is Mikey, isn't it? My name's Mikey. Thought my name was Dad. Takes off the hat. You must be serious. Crush, crush, crush.
How do you like all them new trees, huh? Not so much.
No, I don't think he likes that tree.
No, brand new, hey, brand new tree.
be like those woods. New woods.
It's not in the woods, right?
I didn't realize how open it is over there.
Yeah, it's a big gap.
Yeah.
Of course. Nope.
All right, Mikey going for a second shot here. Hit this tree. He's very serious. Oh, he throws one high. Huh. Wonder why he didn't go for a forehand. Now we're going over here to.
That's what I was trying to do.
That was a much better looking shot. All right, there's Mikey there. We're trying to locate our discs. You see mine over there? Or? Yep, right there. Okay.
No,
Ability at all.
you're up. Your dad's up.
Oh, Mikey's up.
Oh,
I think I'm away.
yeah.
Gotta get around this tree here.
Whoa. Close, yeah. Not bad. Oh, shoot. It did catch a little bit of branch.
All right, John's right there. Pin's right there. Yeah, that was pretty close. Oh, right to the bottom, the base.
Let's finish him up.
Nice putt. Oh wait, Wolf Hill. Write down the scores when we get to the table. At number 9. We got some guys over here, so they're playing a different layout that what you saw earlier, Josh put out. We're playing standard, yeah. They're playing some other crazy, who knows what they're playing.
Oh, that's right. I lost that mother.
Oop, family friendly. Mikey looks wiped out over there.
What?
Mikey looks wiped out.
You tired, boy?
Kid slept on top of the Jeep last night.
Why?
Wah.
Oh, it's not fun.
No, it's definitely not fun. All right, if he stays out of those woods there, safe.
I don't know.
Yeah, you're on the other side of that bush there.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, I guess that's good.
Yeah, you don't want to be in the woods over there.
Oh, that's a blazer beam right at the basket. Skip. Oh, just behind it. Nice toss.
The backside. All right, kiddo. Crush, crush, crush. Hey, where'd he go? Oh. My bike's louder than yours. Oh, he tossed.
What are you talking about?
That's a nice shot. That's a nice shot.
You're not in the woods.
You got these guys over here. They're around a bend over there looking for their frisbee. They're playing frisbee golf.
What team used to play?
Used to. Once or twice.
No, I always played with Dessus.
I tried it once. It was terrible. I can't throw a frisbee.
Hey, put your mini down. You'll have a little bit more room.
I'm calling the plastic bag boy. Uh-oh. Did you lose your mini? I think you threw the shark. He's got a little bit of an obstacle there.
Come back.
Come back.
There it comes. A little bit. Long putt.
You'll make that. You can make that. No more throw it. Don't. Yeah, I think you're just on the other side of this these bushes right here.
Yeah. Oh, I could be in the bushes.
Ooh, in the bushes.
The bush carries on. And
Oh, it does. Look at that.
I'm on the edge. I'm good.
Oh, yeah. Those are the guys that are looking for their frisbee. Looks like the kid lost it. Ooh, hi. You're up, boy. Runs at it. Oh, so close. You see that basket tucked in over in the corner there. That's what those other guys were playing. It should be all right. Should be. For bird. For 4. Uncle John over here. Says par, hole 9. Oh, thank you, sir. All right. Part 3 coming soon.